Hi friends, today I'm going to read you a book called When I Was Five by Arthur Howard. And remember, Arthur Howard is the author and he's the illustrator of this book. So he wrote it and he drew the pictures. When I was five, I wanted to be an astronaut. Or a cowboy. Or both. When I was five, this was my favorite kind of car. This was my favorite kind of dinosaur. This was my favorite secret hiding place. Do you have a favorite hiding place that you like to hide? And this was my best friend, Mark. Mark had a dog named Peggy. Do you have a dog? A brother who used bad words. And bunk beds, my favorite kind of bed when I was five. And bunk beds are stacked beds. See how there's one on the top and the bottom? Those are bunk beds. Now I am 6. And I want to be a Major League Baseball player. Or a deep sea diver. Now that I am 6, this is my favorite kind of car. This is my favorite kind of dinosaur. This is my second best hiding place. My favorite one is secret. And this is my best friend, Mark. Some things never change. So I want you to pause the video. What did you learn about? What did you learn about Jeremy and what he wanted to be? And then when he turned 6, what did he want to be and what did he like? And what did he and his friend like? Friends, we have been learning to write sentences from the books that we have been reading. We have gotten information from our books and we have created our own stories. So today we are going to practice writing the sentence or a story that you and your friend like to do. So the sentence will start, my friend and I like to, and then you will fill in your own answer. I gave you some examples. What I would pick is my friend and I like to bake cookies. And we always start our sentence with a capital letter and we have spaces in between each words. And at the end, we always have a period to let our readers know that it is the end of a sentence. So I want you to pick what you and your friends like to do. So pick one of your own sentences and fill in the blank. So I want you to get a piece of paper and write your own sentence, starting with a capital letter and my friend and I like to blank, and then you fill it out.